National Weather Service in Norman has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 468, effective until 9 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Oklahoma, Blaine, Caddo, Canadian, Cleveland, Garfield, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, Major, McLean, Noble, Oklahoma, Pawnee, Payne, Potawatomi, and Seminole. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio and local media outlets or internet sources for more updates on this developing situation. Flash flood watch in effect from 3 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time to 11 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time tonight. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood watch for portions of central Oklahoma, including the following counties: Blaine, Caddo, Canadian, Cleveland, Garfield, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, Major, McLean, Noble, Oklahoma, Pawnee, Payne, Potawatomi, and Seminole. Showers and thunderstorms will develop today, and they will be numerous and widespread from the late afternoon to the early evening tonight. A few thunderstorms are capable of producing heavy rainfall equating to 1 to 2 inches per hour. However, some bands of heavy rainfall could produce rainfall in excess of 2 to 4 inches, creating flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action if flash flood warnings are issued. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time for central Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued Tornado Watch number 152, effective until 9 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Oklahoma, Blaine, Caddo, Canadian, Cleveland, Garfield, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, Major, McLean, Noble, Oklahoma, Pawnee, Payne, Potawatomi, and Seminole. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this developing situation. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: in Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At approximately 4:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located in Blaine, moving southwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 35 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingfisher, Guthrie, Stillwater, Chandler, Shawnee, Purcell, Norman, Chickasha, El Reno and Oklahoma City. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, get inside now. If indoors, remain indoors. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this developing situation. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for the following counties: in Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi until 11 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. At approximately 4:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. In addition, rainfall is likely throughout the rest of the afternoon and into the early evening. The expected rainfall rate is currently 2 inches per hour. Flash flooding is currently ongoing within the warned area. Hazard, heavy flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, rivers, and other poor drainage or low-lying areas. Locations impacted include Kingfisher, Guthrie, Stillwater, Chandler, Shawnee, Purcell, Norman, Chickasha, El Reno and Oklahoma City. A flash flood warning means that flash flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect your life and property. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area that has been subject to flash flooding. An evacuation order may become necessary if flash flooding exceeds the projected time period. Most deaths during flash flooding occur within vehicles. If you come to a closed-off or flooded road, turn around, don't drown. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: in Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At approximately 4:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located in Kingfisher, moving southwest at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and tennis ball-sized hail. Source, weather spotters reported funnel clouds. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Guthrie, Stillwater, Chandler, Shawnee, Purcell, Norman, Chickasha, El Reno and Oklahoma City. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation. Tornado emergency for Oklahoma City. This is a potential mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma and Seminole County in central Oklahoma until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely destructive tornado was located 5 miles from Oklahoma City, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the Oklahoma City Metroplex. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado, source, law enforcement and the public confirmed large wedge tornado with reports of catastrophic damage and fatalities in Kingfisher, impact. This is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Homes and businesses will be completely swept from their foundations. Trees will be uprooted or snapped, debris will block most roadways. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Shawnee, Norman and Purcell. To repeat, a large, extremely violent, and deadly tornado is on the ground to protect your life. Take cover now. Move immediately to a basement or an underground storm shelter. If no underground shelter is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building away from windows, or, if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no protection from this violent tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma, Seminole, and Pottawatomie.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Emergency Management Agency. Mass destruction from the tornado that occurred about an hour and a half ago has left most roads in the Metroplex impassable. Emergency vehicles are currently unable to reach those in need of assistance. In addition, many residents are reportedly trapped in underground shelters. If you need emergency assistance, do not leave your present location. The National Guard is currently en route to assist those in need. Please do not call 911 as the telephone lines are busy and need to be left open for official use only. Residents outside of the affected area are asked not to assist victims until it is deemed safe to do so by the National Guard. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation.